Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to download TurboC and how to install in Windows 10. Let's start and open your browser like Google Chrome and after open your browser put here some keywords like TurboC for Windows 10 and website name is that FileHost and after that click showing here first one link Turbo C++ download 2020 latest and given option here free download. Click here. Wait for some time around 10 to 15 seconds. It will be take some time for downloading. Okay, and Turbo C++ download has been successfully done. And after that, open this file in your folder location, and after that, click on this file. Okay, showing here a window Turbo C++ 3.7.8.9 and given option here next and after that accept and again in one click and keep your note history in one click and after that accept and wait for some time for installing. Okay, has been successfully installed and click here finish and you have successfully downloaded Turbo C++ and install now and click here next and accept here terms and conditions next install. Wait for some time around 30 to 45 seconds and after that Turbo C++ has been successfully installed your computer and now option here finish and Turbo C++ please wait processing. Wow, and turbo window has been opened successfully and click here 9 and we can write down your program here and after that click here with all text key, with all text, and click here no. Turbo C++, this is here showing, and thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also like this video. Thank you so much.